Okay, so now we're at the dashboard, and when we check out the actual website, click this, it looks very bland, and that's why we want to add a theme. So we go to Appearance and Themes. From Themes, we want to check out some more themes. So we will go, let's check this one out and press Install. Once it is installed, we can go into Details, Preview, and let's activate it. So now that everything is activated, what we are going to need is, it requires the following plugins. So just begin installing plugins, install, and apply. Alright, now everything has been installed. Let's check it out one more time. Now we need to activate the plugins. So we can begin by activating the plugins. Apply. Alright, perfect. And let's see what else we need. This Elementor is going to come out. You can sign up for it later. For now, we'll just work on the WordPress. So now we have this theme, and what's going to happen is we don't have all the pages. We only have the privacy policy and sample page, but we can have the theme, more of the theme pages. So we can go back to Appearance, go back to Theme, and add in the theme details, import the demo data, and we can choose to import it with Elementor. Elementor is one of the best theme builders and most popular because it has a drag and drop feature. So let's import the demo from Elementor. Continue import. Now the import has been complete. It may take anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes depending on what it is, and we can visit the site to check out what it looks like. So here's the site, and it seems like all the other pages has been uploaded to it as well. And let's say we want to make some changes. Well, let's use Edit with Elementor. So now, as you can see, Elementor is a drag and drop feature. So if I want to include something like a header, I can just drag it on here. And if I want to change the images, I can add media, I can change the style, but this will be the scope of the video. Thank you for your time, and please subscribe to see the next video on Elementor.